tip guard is an important safety device that should be installed on all chainsaws. The tip guard prevents the saw's nose from coming into contact with objects, which may cause it to kick back towards the operator. It is easiest to attach the tip guard before installing the bar and chain onto the saw. Read your specific saw operator's manual for instructions on how to attach the guard to the saw. Be sure the dimple of the tip guard aligns with the recessed area in the guide bar to ensure a tight connection. Begin by installing the bolt through the rear hole of the guard and the front hole of the guide bar. Tighten the nut onto the bolt using 2 wrenches until snug. Make sure the tip guard lays snug against the bar and tighten an additional 1/8 turn.